Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to another video of SaaS Track. Today in this video we are sharing a quick tutorial about Wix and how to create a stunning website very easily. Wondering how to stay top of mind with your customers even if you aren't open? Looking for new creative ways to continue to show up for them? Whether you are an entrepreneur, job seeker, artist, or a writer, one of the best ways to do is to mark an online reputation. Simplest way to initialize the digital presence is by building a website. Wix is a cloud-based service that allows you to design and build your website or online store without needing to know how to code. Wix was founded in Israel in 2006 and is one of the larger website building companies with 1,800 employees and around 100 million users. Along with its headquarters in Israel, Wix also has offices in Canada, Brazil, Germany, India, Ireland, Lithuania, the US, and Ukraine. So let's check how it works. First, you need to go to the Wix homepage and then click on the Get Started button. Here you can sign up using your email ID and password, or you can also sign up using Facebook or Google. As I already created an account, I'm directly signing in from here. This is the dashboard which you get after login. If you want to create a new site, then click on Create New Site. You will get a lot of options like business, online store, photography, blog, and so on. For now, I'm going with blog. Here you have to choose how you want to create your website, either using Wix ADI or Wix Editor. Like here I am choosing Wix ADI, where I just need to answer a few simple questions, and automatically the website will be ready in a few minutes. Let's check how to create a website page on education. Therefore, I entered an education blog. Here it asks me about the recommendations which I want to add in my website. Like here, I want subscribe form and chat feature. You can also choose from the options available below. Once you have selected features, click on next. I just need to add the name. Like here, I'm adding the name Education Hub. Now it asks me if I want to import images and text. But currently, as I don't have any online presence, therefore, I'm skipping this step. You can review and edit your information from here, like enter your address, phone number, fax, social accounts, etc. and click on next. Now, the main thing which you have to select wisely is theme. You can choose a theme that best suits your style. I have clicked on luxury. Going ahead, choose the home page design from here. It will take a couple of seconds to generate the web page, and this is how it looks like when created. This is your site. Wow, it looks amazing, isn't it? Okay, if you have to make some changes on your website, then you can do that directly from this dashboard. Just for example, if you want to edit the header of your site, then move your cursor to header. There you will get two options, edit and design. Click on edit to edit site menu, site title, tagline, logo, and much more. As we have seen, it's simple to edit your website with Wix ADI. Now we will check Wix Editor. As you know, I am on Wix ADI. First, let's move to Wix Editor by clicking on Site at the top of the dashboard. Select Create New Site from the drop-down menu. Here you are asked to choose a template from the given field. Choose the niche which best fits your site. Like, I'm trying to create a blog site. I have clicked on blogs. To start with the Wix editor, click on the chosen template. Here you are provided with numerous stylish website templates based on your category. Scroll through all the pages and find the template you like the best. You have the option first to view the template to sense how it looks on your website. I really like the layout of this site, thus I'll go ahead and click on the edit site. For me, my favorite functionality using Wix is the drag and drop feature of any element of the page. You can drag and drop any element and place them as per your requirement without any coding knowledge. You are given the options to manipulate it, however you wish. Let's begin with menus and pages. You add more pages and change the menu option from the first feature available here. Get the complete insight of the site menu. You may also change the sequence of the pages along with the page transactions as per your wish. You can add a page from the bottom, change its name, and click on settings to change the page info, layouts, app restrictions, and it also provides an application that helps people to find your page on Google. If you find this page to be on the 5th position, simply drag the page to that place. Wix also allows you to integrate blogs into the website. You can manage your blog here or create a post. Moving ahead to the page background. You change the page background by clicking here. The page background allows you to change the color, image, video of the background. Wix provides a huge stock of high quality images and attractive color shades, which you can use to change the color of the images. Moving ahead, you are also provided an option to change the text style of the page according to your needs. You can change the font, style, size. You can also resize the text boxes as per your requirement. You can also add images, videos, music, lightbox, etc. using simple and easy to use drag and drop features. Once done with the major changes, then save your changes from here. Moving ahead, to make your website look attractive and appealing, you can also add more applications from the next available option, that is Wix App Market. Select from the category or write in the search box. Moving ahead to the media section. You can search for the things from the search box available, or either you can also upload the media from the social sharing options available. Can also edit the images and videos or choose from the free Wix images. You can also manage the blog section from here. Simply create or manage the posts as per your requirements. After making the necessary changes, click on preview to view how it looks. If satisfied, click on publish button and get the site live in one go. All this is free, but here you are given an option to upgrade your site to a professional domain. Wix has a free plan which we just used, as well as a total of 7 paid premium plans ranging from $13 to $49 per month. There's also a high-end business solution called the Wix Enterprise, which costs $500 per month. The higher your plan, the more features you unlock. Wix also has a 2-week money-back guarantee. So if you don't like what you see, you can request a refund straight away. Okay guys, this was a quick review of Wix leading website building software. And now it's time for you to sign up for a free trial. using the link mentioned in the description below and try these features by yourself. Don't forget to share your Wix experience in the comment section below. Moreover, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then click on the subscribe button and notification bell next to it. If you like this video, then hit the like button. Or if you have any questions, just write it down in the comment section below. Thank you.